Okay, hey guys. Well, today I'm going to be working on a chainsaw mount for my vise. I work on a lot of chainsaws, and a lot of times it's nice to have the saw staying in place when you're trying to work on it and take it apart, change the cylinder or something like that, or piston. So I'm going to build a mount that'll hook up to the chainsaw and go to the vise. It'll actually hook up on the bar side. Right in here, the bar side. So what I'm going to do is use an old chainsaw bar, and cut it up a little bit. You can see I already made one cut here. I'm going to do a little bit more cutting, and then I found an old piece of tube. This is 1 1/4 inch tube. Any type of tube I think would work, but I'm going to use that and this and make me a mount that will hold my chainsaw in the vise. And the nice thing about this mount is it'll actually be able to hold the chainsaw in any position, so I can have it upright on either side or upside down if I need to work on whatever it may be. So that'll help. Now, one thing about the bar that's important to note is this is a solid bar. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe you look right here in the slot. You see how it's solid? The laminated bars really won't work well. Oops. So you see this bar, see how that's laminated in there? It's not going to work well. It's going to be hard to weld to, so definitely have to choose a solid bar, because that'll help with the welding, hold it tight, strong. So anyway, let's get into it. Ooh. Okay, so this is the final product. You see it's hooked up to a Husqvarna 3120. Just goes right here on the mounting bolts. You put the nuts on, it's spaced appropriately. So now you just throw it right in the vise. So let me show you how that works. Take it, put it in whichever orientation you want. Tighten that down, and there you go. And you can see it handles even the biggest chainsaws. And if you want to do it a different direction, turn it and tighten it down. Pretty easy and super helpful.